This is Aiden, a modern endpoint automation platform that helps IT teams configure, maintain, report on, and recover computers from one clear interface. Instead of watching a machine passively build in the background, Aiden shows IT teams exactly what needs attention. Applications, versions, deployment state, and endpoint readiness are all visible in one place. With AidenBot, administrators can apply the required configuration with a single action. Aiden can install applications, update existing software, remove unwanted items, and apply settings and bring the device into alignment with company standards. As AidenBot works, the interface shows each action being completed. IT can see what succeeded, what's still running, and what requires remediation without relying on manual checks or assumptions. Instead of guessing whether a machine is ready, Aiden shows the work as it happens. AidenVision provides clear reporting across the environment. It shows endpoint status, remediation activity, compliance results, and a record of the actions taken. This gives IT teams a practical answer to the questions that matter. Is the device configured correctly? Was the issue fixed? And can we prove it? Behind the automation is policy. Administrators define what an endpoint should look like in plain English terms: required applications, approved versions, configuration standards, remediation rules, and reporting requirements. Aiden uses that policy as a source of truth. The result is a complete endpoint workflow. Define the standard, apply the configuration, remediate drift, and verify the outcome. Aiden helps IT move from manual endpoint management to policy-driven automation with reporting built in. And when a device needs to be fully rebuilt, Aiden Rescue can help take it from bare metal back to a known good state, wiping, rebuilding, applying policy, restoring required applications, and verifying the endpoint. Aiden brings automation, policy, visibility, remediation, and recovery together in one endpoint management experience.